Mo here. Oh my god, Dios mia. Chilling in the chalkbook. Too much smoke, really breathing. I'm feeling yo go school. Doing on Doris, campus bleeding. Don't know what I'm saying, don't know what I'm feeling. Mo here. Oh my god, Dios mia.
A few moments later.
Just finished college. Went out to do something and then this happens. Whoa. That's just a shower. Let's get all this mess cleaned up, this panel down, and cut these bad boys. So that's slightly better. What I want to do is get the grinder out, and I just want to grind the panel off from here. You can see where the steel ends right there, so I need to go all the way across, get this ready to stand up, and then we'll get this one down, get it cladded and stood up with this one. But first off, before we clad this, cut all these bushes down, cut them at an angle like that so I can get them all in. I'm not putting it in the bin this time, they can keep their bushes. So yeah, let's get these all chopped down.
A few moments later.
Now, ordered these a few days ago for the Mini, just to get fresh spark plugs in it to stop the splutteriness. Now I still need to do the dizzy cap and rotor needs to be changed. Change the plugs. I'm going to drain the oil, put a new air filter on it as well. I'm going to try and fix the pipe, and that should be it. I don't see there being anything much else wrong with the Mini. So back of the car is all cleared out. We're going to head down to Aaron and grab some new old tooling. Loads of steel things. So we have this hydraulic press. It's all taken apart. Aaron took it apart because he didn't think I'd fit it into the boot, but my boot is huge. We have all the hardware and all of these, so I'm going to give these all a clean and then we're going to bolt it all together. So let's get that done now. Right, we have this whole thing put together. I just need to get this on, but what I want to do is I want to take that apart, put new seals in it, reset everything, get it in, and then just cover it up, put it in the shed, have it ready for when the garage is eventually done. Now, back to the Mini. First job on today's list, spark plugs. Right, so plugs are out and there's a bit of oil in this one, so that's probably not good. So maybe a seal. The seals were only changed, so I'm gonna have to get that checked now. So she still looks great and fresh in there, so I'm not worried about anything now. So I'm just gonna get this cover back on and torque down. Let's get these plugs in. Now this just needs a good old degreasing. Now what we're going to concentrate is idle air control valve. We're going to take that off, give it a clean, and then do the cap. Now I just loosened off the idle air control valve there, and there seems to be no dirt or crud or gunk in it, so that seems to be fine. So what we're going to do is mark up this with 1, 2, 3, 4 and mark these 1, 2, 3, 4 so we don't get them mixed up, and we're going to do the cap and the rotor. Let's go. Now, new cap on. I have the old cap here. It's very gunky inside, so it did need to be changed. I have all the numbers of where the plugs go, so let's get all these leads on and yeah, get this back on and give it a start. Now we're all in, everything's put back together, and time for a startup. Now, connect up the battery, nice and tight. I'll leave that open. Key, Now, I did have it in gear, so handbrake up. Now a gear, because we don't want it jumping. Right. Let's go. Yep, straight up. So, I got it right. Happy days. Sounds better. So yeah, just let it warm up. So we've replaced this, some lines, some wiring, dizzy rotor, dizzy cap, brake mats, a cylinder, new servo, plugs. So yeah, cleaned out the idle air control valve. So it should be good, hopefully. Yeah, we let her warm up and give her a rev. So we are warming up nicely. We're just waiting on it to get it at least halfway, well, up to temp before we start revving it. I might bring it outside because it's late and it might be a bit loud for the new babby that we just had. So yeah, full house, more saving for another Mini. So yeah, let's go get this warm outside and give it a rev. We are up to temp. Let's get this thing out. Let's go. Let's get this outside the garden and hopefully it's not too bad. Haven't driven it in a few weeks, so let's go. Brakes work, so that's a plus. Oh, it's revving much better now. Hopefully it's fixed. I'm just going to bring it around the corner and give it the beans, see if it works, see if it should VTEC. So it wasn't VTECing the other day when it was spluttery, so here's hoping that's what all the issues were. Spark plugs, busy, quick service, little service. So it's so weird with the camera this way because the camera's here, not over here. So it's different. Turn on the old headlights because it's getting dark out. Yeah. With a ramp. It's a bit smoother, I do feel it. Throttle response is better because I cleaned out that idle air control valve and I changed the plugs and the dizzy cap and the rotor, so it seems to be running good, not as spluttery. So we just go up this road here. I'm not going down the main road, so I'm just gonna give it a quick blip here, see if it's any better. My camera's all good, but yeah, that's much better. Yeah, it's not spluttering. It wants to go, which is excellento. Yeah, much better. I'm very happy with that. So yeah, we just go back. The car's warm. It's not hunting. It's not making any weird noises. So I'm happy with that result. But we'll give it a beans one more time. See what she goes like. Second gear. Put down. Yep. That works. That's much better. Happy with that. I have to say, feels much better. The throttle response is crispy. My camera went funny there when the car hit VTEC, so I don't know why that was like that. Yeah, it's much. The response on the throttle is 10 times better. You can just feel it. It's just much crisper. brakes are alright as well. They do need another bleed, but the car feels great. I'm so happy now. So that's it. We're back. We don't need to test it like mad. I do want to get the brakes bled again, and yeah, we'll be able to drive it more and more. I'm a happy bunny. Let's go. Success. Hands are dirty. Time to go to bed. It's getting late. Doesn't look that late, but it's like after 8 with a baby up early. Yeah, the joys. Peace out. Be dedicated, and I'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
Mohier, oh my god, Dios mío. Chilling in the chalkbook, too much smoke, barely breathing. I'm feeling yo go usko, down on Doris, Scarface freezing. Don't know what I'm saying, don't know what I'm feeling. Mohier, oh my god, Dios mío. Chilling in the chalkbook, too much smoke, barely breathing. I'm feeling yo go usko, down on Doris, Scarface freezing. Don't know what I'm saying, don't know what I'm feeling. Don't ask me to go for 1 point. Don't ask me to smoke up 1 joint. Don't ask me to go for 1 hour in my thing. I be up the full night. Yup the fuck boys, I'm live and I'm on one up till sunrise. I'll drink when it's all done. Young players up, hyping up for some time. No sleep for the kid, I love the buzz. I'm in a royale jog, but I like this shit. Big cup in me hand, but I like this split. Ain't nobody gonna kill my vibe. This boy's too high for the noise you bring. Everybody's chatting shit in the kitchen, saving the world. Bunch of politicians. I ain't trying to listen to that shit. I'm getting another drink from me, filling up the cup while I light another.